Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is me, your Kamya. So today I got to pull out for airport standby, and the airport standby is for 7 hours from 5 to 11 o'clock. So let's see what happens. I just hope and I just wish that my airport standby gets maintained. So let's see, but do not forget to watch my video till the end. See you, bye bye. Hi guys, good morning. Hello. Welcome back to my channel again. So today we are here for airport standby. So I'll tell you what is airport standby and like what is home standby. I'll just tell you what is the difference between home standby and airport standby. So first, she's going to be my.
Saying that I'm a sweet friend, but she don't know my name.
No, I was just like there's a key.
So
Like
we were
no.
clubbing together in a cab. So till 11 o'clock we will vibe together.
Yes, that's correct. So what we'll do today?
We'll make vlogs.
Make love,
Bye
coffee therapy. So let's explain about the difference between home standby and airport standby.
Home standby is
Blog. I have a small account, okay, like blog channel. So I'm just making videos for
home
that.
standby is something
Come closer, a little closer.
in our own bed. But yeah, airport standby we don't get place to sit.
Too short.
We just go out. We just have tea every time.
The explanation is too short that no one will understand.
Yeah,
So-
only a crew will understand. The look of airport standby only a crew can understand.
Sir, breakfast कितने बजे तक आएगा? Breakfast कितने बजे तक आएगा?
We'll get breakfast here.
We can purchase.
I thought that we'll get free, of course.
That is free of course. कौन देगा?
Okay, bye. I will see you. So basically, airport standby is something like that. You have to get ready, like all the makeups and uniforms and everything, and then you will have to come to airport, and then you will wait there in the base in the office, and then they can pull you out anytime, like anytime. So there's a certain limitations, like a certain timing. Like today is my airport standby is like from 5 o'clock to 11 o'clock. So like basically like airport standby is for 6 hours. So it's something like that. You have to get ready, you'll have to do everything, and then you have to come to the base, wait in the office for your departure times or something like that. So today I'm going to be here in the airport for 6 hours. If they will pull me out, then yes, I will have to operate the flight. If it is like if it gets maintained, then that's good for me. So let's see what happens. So yes, I'll show you what we'll do and what we do in airport standby. So yes, see you. Dina, I'm just roaming around without wearing hat. I'll just get you, okay?
I thought you went to get your hat from me.
No, actually, I just kept it there. I don't know where I went back to check whether it's there or not.
Someone check it and see it.
Yes. Now I'll go and like get it. Someone's very busy on phone. Since morning, we came together in the same cab. Her. I'm staying in Adapur and she's staying in Providence.
I don't know what OCC is going to do with us.
I really
Don't know.
Yeah. We are looking for home.
Hey, come here, okay?
I'll get my hat, okay? Oh, come. Bye, Captain.
Guys, no guys, it's here. So thank you. So this is our base, our office. Here we do our debriefings before departure with leading ladies. And this side, we have another base where we do our cash deposit. And where are they? Are they? Oh, where are they? Where are they? So this is the base. This is another base where we do our cash deposit and everything. And here they are. Hi. Next तुम लोग को Bro.
दिखाई नहीं दे रही है।
एक घंटा लगेगा मामी
Oh my. Oh jeez. भाई निकालो 20 होगा ना, 20 को लगाया ना।
नहीं ऐसा होता है
हाँ दो it's okay छोड़ो
क्या
बहुत ही तकड़ा गेम था। By the way, who is the winner? You, right? Hi. गेम के चक्कर में ये भी टूट गया देखो। So pretty. मेरा विंग निकल गया। Playing. It's because of these two ladies. This and that. She is second in command for today, and I Miss Indigo for today. Miss Indigo and Girl Power and second in command, and we are.
You look like my sister, one of my sister.
And many girls told me this thing. You look like a Nepali, you this and that. No one ever told me that I look like from.
No, you look like कैसा बोले तो? No, Sherpa.
Sherpa?
हाँ.
It's title or you are mentioning a specific
but
name?
it's specific. Like they look like कैसा बोलूँ?
Like highlight में देखो. नहीं लगती. I'm not that pretty.
No, you look like her. थोड़ा सा.
Don't compare me with her. She's so pretty.
You're also pretty.
No,
थोड़ा दिखता है, but not same exactly.
not pretty.
No, you're also pretty.
For washroom? You could use here, na then. Why do you use? Okay, even I want to use them, but where should
we go to
then
departures also you can use, na? But arrivals में कोई नहीं होता है, departures में it's too crowded.
okay, then we'll go to the departure, no? You know, हम सोचा है वो हमको बोला है
हाँ
पर मैं नहीं.
क्या
So now we are in the inside the airport. So now we are going to departure. She want to do some shopping, and I want to have this banmaska, which is really tasty. So we'll go. We are here in the arrival, and she's going to be my partner for today. So she's my vlogging partner. She's my vlogging partner for today. I used to be, but now तो I'm क्या बोलते हो beginner. So this is Hyderabad airport. I mean inside. This is inside. I cannot show you from outside, but at least I can show you the inside. So we are going to the washroom. So yes, and she's from Darjeeling, and she's really cute. We just met today, but still it feels like we have known each other.
Hi game yeah
So where are we going now?
I was about to ask you the same question. So you
So
tell me.
we are going to departure to buy something. I mean for breakfast.
Yes.
So first we'll go to the lavatory and then we'll go to departure. We'll get your body wash, right? What do you want?
Even I don't know. Maybe vest or yeah, to something cute from.
Or like you want to do. I was thinking of buying that one, sticker one. What's it called? No, not sticker. Okay, ये वाला.
Oh, that.
It has name. Okay, it has a specific name. Something I forgot, but one of my friends told me. ये मैं हूँ और ये एक था ना वो वायरल होता ना यहाँ से ये मैं हूँ और ये मेरा कार है और यहाँ गाड़ी चल रही है.
गाइस ये हम हैं
हाँ
और यहाँ पारी हो रही है.
सॉरी.
अयो एकदम बहुत चलना बहुत चलना पड़ेगा.
You're not going? She's crying.
No, I'm not. I wanted to ask you कि the real voice you cut it off, right?
I don't.
You don't? Why?
So you asking whether I make this voice over or you asking?
You make voice over, right?
I don't have my voice over. I don't do.
Then how you do it? You
just
post it as it is. मेरा आवाज इतना तक नहीं है. अभी ये भी डालेंगे उसमें.
No, I'm just kidding. I do.
सकती है. लड़की है ना उसके पीछे.
Show her. No?
I don't know her name.
I'm done. It looks so nice. Don't interrupt. Going without strollers for the first time feels so different. Welcome to Hyderabad Airport. Look around.
Wow, you're so confident.
Modi ji.
सीधे के आते हैं this so we have to show our ID, then only we can go. So this portion is only for staff or crew, so no any other outsider is allowed to go from this way. So we'll show this ID and then we will go. I mean, we can go. This is not working.
We are going to do some shopping for her, not for me. So I'll show you. What do you want to buy? She has lots of money. That's why she wants to spend some money. Rich kids. I'm broken. I'll show you the departure. I'm not buying anything. I'm not here to buy anything. I'm just supporting my friend. She's buying her gifts for her friends and I'm just like guiding her. She's there. She's paying and so fresh.
Passion fruit. I was thinking to buy this.
I'm here in a bookstore. I'm looking for GK and I'm also looking for Chetan Bhagat Singh's book because I really love to read his book in my me time. So I'm looking for Chetan Bhagat's book and I found one. So last time I read this one but I read half only. I couldn't complete this one, so today I am thinking of buying this. This is really nice. Done with the shopping. Sorry, we are here. नहीं मुझे तो जाना है जहाँ था because I'm making vlog. Or semi-good mountain and we are going back home. You know, you don't know how happy we are. I don't know about her, but I'm very happy. Again, she wants to buy something again for her friends. So we are going. Oh my gosh, this is cute stuff. So yes, our airport standby got maintained. And guess what? We are going back home. Hey, happy? And look at this. Look at this. I was sleeping for half an hour and I got this. See, the background looks so so pretty.
Yeah.
Look at the background. It's so pretty, no? The trees and everything.
हाय सो
Hi.
क्या क्या किया आपने शॉपिंग किया
हाँ, दिन में शॉपिंग किया और ये लिया.
और कुछ लिया
नहीं. और 6 hours शॉपिंग के लिए मिला.
क्यूट वेरी क्यूट लाइक यू
आपने क्या क्या लिया बताओ ना. चलो अनबॉक्सिंग करते हैं. So yes, time to take rest, time to eat something, time to drink something, time to sleep. So till then, you all take care, and yes, see you next vlog. And please do not forget to subscribe to the channel, like, and comment. Yes, just comment. Bye bye.